Hello everyone. Today we talk about food. Now let's learn together step by step. First, listen carefully. Just listen and relax. Next, we learn new words, simple vocabulary and easy grammar. Then listen again and practice with me. Repeat after me. Finally, practice by yourself. Speak slowly. You can do it. Learn English is easy when we learn step by step. Do you like fruits? I love fruits. Hi Anna, what are you making? I'm making a soup. Yummy! What's in your soup? Carrot, spinach, tomato. That looks healthy. Okay, vocabulary. Apple, banana, rice, bread, milk. Let's say them slowly. Apple, banana, rice, bread, milk. Grammar. We can say I like plus food. I like plus noun. For example, I like rice. I like apple. I like banana. I like rice. I like bread. I like milk. Let's practice. Say with me. I like apple. I like banana. I like rice. I like bread. I like milk. Do you like apple? Yes, I like apple. Oh, no, I don't like apple. Do you like banana? Yes, I like banana. Oh, no, I don't like banana. Do you like rice? Yes, I like rice. Oh, no, I don't like rice. Do you like bread? Yes, I like bread. No, I don't like bread. Do you like milk? Yes, I like milk. No, I don't like milk. Good. Now practice by yourself. Great job! You can now talk about food you like. Comment the new words you learned today. Please subscribe for our next lesson. Next lesson is what time do you wake up? Thank you very much learning with me. Bye bye.